Hi, my name is Ashley Perrin, and my innovation is a continuous Bluetooth brain chemistry monitor. I got my idea when my dad told me about his latest brain MRI, which stands for magnetic resonance imaging. He said it took almost 45 minutes to scan him, and he couldn't move a muscle the entire time. I thought this was ridiculous because if you only needed a quick scan of your brain, why did you have to go into a full body scanner? So I did some research and I found out that it costs less money to build a full body scanner that can just do a simple brain scan than to build an individual scanner just for your brain. So that's how I got my idea for it. My testing was on the Bluetooth part of it. I downloaded a .pdf file on my computer and transferred it to my iPod Touch through Bluetooth wirelessly to see if it could serve a continuous feed, and everything worked out great in the end. On the actual thing, it would be transformed into an application on the iPod and the device itself, but they are still using Bluetooth in the same way. My innovation would impact people with any type of chemical brain disorder, for instance, someone with ADHD or ADD. My innovation would impact these people by helping them understand what's going on in their brain. It would also help them monitor the chemical brain activity going on so they would know when to take another dose of their brain stimulant medicine. Brain stimulant medicine is used for people with ADHD or ADD because on occasions they get hyperactive because their body is trying to create energy to stimulate their brain chemicals so they can focus on what they're trying to do. The stimulant is basically a dose of caffeine that stimulates the brain cells in their brain so they don't need to get hyperactive to create chemistry. My innovation would monitor the brain activity, and if it got too low, an alarm would go off so the person would be able to take another dose. A standard MRI machine is made of a very large magnet, radio frequency coils, and the scanner itself. The reason these are so big is because they're meant to contain an entire person, so all that would need to happen is to make the whole entire thing smaller in order to be able to create my invention. And that's everything about my innovation, the Bluetooth brain chemistry monitor.